Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. For this video of TechLog YouTube channel, I will be showing you how to download and install the TikTok Lite application. Now to do that, you need to first open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap open Google Play Store. On the home page, tap on the search bar on top and then type in TikTok Lite. Then tap on search. It will show you the application on the very top. Now you tap on install and wait for the TikTok Lite application to be downloaded. This process is for the Android users. If you are an iOS user, you need to go to the App Store on your mobile device, and from there you can search for the TikTok Lite application and download it for the iOS device. And the application is completely downloaded. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the TikTok Lite application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.